With kindness through life's storms, our island homes by the sea have had their share of tears, but with hope we carry on. Together better days will come. We have hope that lasts forever, and those memories linger on. Singing the song in the darkness, singing the song in the darkness, singing the song in the darkness. There's better days soon to come. Better days are soon to come.
I cannot believe dog tayi yun kanyeli marfa aunts no wayena yawak aku cinto yasu ekranyo kekmakbuat kairs naken kjert and fjegen too.
We have hope that lasts forever, and those memories linger on. Singing the song in the darkness, singing the song in the darkness, singing the song in the darkness. There's better days soon to come. Better days are soon to come.
Hello! Here we are once again. Hope you're all ready for a good Ceilidh this evening. Special Valentine's edition maybe. It's been a wee while since I was with you. Not since myself, Willie and Costello were doing the New Year Ceilidh. So we had great fun. We managed to squeeze that one in just before the lockdown. And here we are, still in lockdown. Huh? Oh dear. What can we do? But anyway, let's try and forget about COVID for a couple of hours during this sort of Valentine edition. And before I start, I'd really like to thank everyone who donated and downloaded the single for Bethesda and also bought the CD. Very much appreciated, and we thank you very much for that. So, what have we got on tonight? Let's see. Who have we got? Joan Darroch. Hello, Joan. Jan Gill, Megan McRae, Isabel Grant. Hello, Isabel. Jean Glaubus, Christine Maxboran. Welcome to you all. The old faithfuls are here in force tonight. So, remember, Valentine edition. So, there's nothing wrong with sending Valentine greetings to each other, but be careful who you send it to. Okay. Okay, so what have we got on tonight? Well, there's going to be some old songs as usual, and I'm going to start off tonight with a really old song. Some of you will probably remember it, but let me know if everything's sounding okay once I play it. But There's only two songs I can ever remember my father singing to me in English because I was so used to him doing psalms. But this is way, way back when I was very, very young. I'm going to tell you a wee yarn about them when we do the second song. So let's get going. Let's see if you can remember this one from 1928. Can you believe it? The original version of this song was done by a guy called Gene Austin, and then Fats Domino did a version of it, a fast version. But I much prefer the slower version. And this one on this Valentine's night is for all those young couples who have just had a baby recently, and maybe there'll be a dedication for that later on. And also to anyone called Molly. Now, I know there's one Molly that I know of. My own niece Molly down in England, my brother's daughter Molly. So she's mentioned in the song. Anyway, let's get going. When whippoorwills call, oh, evening is nigh. Turn to the right, oh, a little white light will lead you to mine, oh, blue, blue, blue heaven. You see a smiling face, a fireplace, a cozy room, oh, just Molly and me. Oh, baby makes three. Oh, happy am I, my blue, blue, blue heaven. Turn to the right, a little white light will lead you to my blue, blue, blue heaven. Just Molly and me, oh, baby makes three. Who can remember that one? Just looking to see who we've all got here tonight. Chrissy Smith. Hello, Chrissy. Listening and watching from Stirling. You'll remember that one, Chrissy, no doubt. Huh? And so, who else have we got? Fenella, Pat Harrow, Dolly MacLeod. One of my mother's favourite. Yeah, it's pretty old, that song. Fats Domino did a fast version of it. I was a huge Fats Domino fan, and I love Fats Domino's music. But it was one of the songs that he did that I wasn't really that keen on because I thought he did it very fast. I preferred this original Gene Austin version of it. So that's us. We've got going now, and what's been happening? Well, since I last saw you, what's been happening? There was some snowdrifts, out on the mainland. Brought back some memories, especially when I was going to talk about my dad, because way back in 1971 or 72, he got caught in that snowdrift at the Alcuision on the Gar Road. And he was stranded there for a couple of days himself and someone, I can't remember who it was, when my dad was working on the Sullivan. and if I remember right, I'm not sure if it was the same time, but pupils were also caught in a similar, maybe not so severe, snowdrift in Achmore coming home from the Nicholson. I think that must have been in the early 70s. So, there's nothing new under the sun. Okay, so let's do a Gaelic song now. Let's do a wee medley. That's what we'll do. We'll do a wee medley of songs that you all pretty much know. Oh, Mora Quickin, Mora Queen, Hers, Galabi, Galabi, Mora Quickin, Mora Queen, Hers, Galabi, Fosse, Deni me my hate is good, like a massage, like a massage, Deni me my hate is good, like a massage in your fosse, Mora Quickin, Mora Queen, Hers, Galabi, Galabi, Mora Quickin, Mora Queen, Hers, Galabi, Fosse, Cornel cut to the line, hop in a patient, Cornel cut down to the line, hop in the patient, come away, Mora Quickin, Mora Queen, Hers, Galabi, Mora Quickin, Mora Queen, Hers, Galabi, Fosse, Hammies gives me longing, when you're on me, Hammies gives me longing, when you're on me, Golden home and drive home, golden home and boy, golden home and drive home, golden and murder, Hammies gives me longing, when you're on me, Hammies gives me longing, when you're on me, Hans and she had no berskin, strik och i galone, nur nicht kaffe scheine Lunge, hagen geschaut worden, Hammies gives me longing, when you're on me, Hammies gives me longing, when you're on me, Haniel Molandan am the shore, Haro reis a mi no, Nel Molandan am the shore, the fiddle hocus major, Sio allo alleidiam, Sio allo alleidiam, Sio allo alleidiam, Sio allam sioram, Girl is yarn that I is shoe, Girl is yarn that I is shoe, Girl is yarn that I is shoe, to take my hood and all there, Yo allo alleidiam, Yo allo alleidiam, Sio allo alleidiam, Sio allam sioram, oh man a kind gets he snap, on a kind gets he snap, on a kind gets he snap, is there more lages cover, Yo allo alleidiam, Yo allo alleidiam, Sio allam sioram, ich jüngru skolmar, ich jüngru skolmar, ich jüngru skolmar, skrik ju kanske navare, Sio allo alleidiam, Sio allo alleidiam, Sio allam sioram. Okay, so we Gaelic medley to get us going. Now then, how are we getting on? I've got a wee monitor over to my left side here. I'm trying not to look at it too much because it can maybe distract you when you're halfway through doing a song. So who have we got on here? John Mackenzie, Bruce Buchan, hello Bruce, Megan McLeod, the Barvis Girls, oh my yes, the Barvis Girls. Okay then, now I was going to mention, so there was the two songs that I heard my father do, the only two songs, English songs I've ever heard my father do. And the second one is a song called, I'm just going to do it, you'll know it. And I'll tell you a wee story about that. this is going back to when I was really young, about, I don't know, I would have been about 5 or 6 years of age, but I was really, really keen on singing. So my dad was at sea, and when he was home on one of his holidays, my mother decided that my father would babysit this night while she went off to the prayer meeting. And my dad, knowing that I was really, really keen on songs, decided that we would have a wee sing-song while my mother was away. So the first song that I remember him doing was that My Blue Heaven. And this is the second song that I remember him doing. And just to help things along, my dad decided that he would have a couple of wee drams to sort of, lubricate the throat a wee bit. So I remember we were very loyal there. I think my brother, who was 4 years younger than me, would have probably been in the playpen. So my dad and me were having a great time singing these songs. And then when we were doing this song, who comes in through the door but my mum from the prayer meeting? And oh man, she really let my dad have it. She gave him such a hard time and sent us away. We were supposed to be in bed by the time she came back. And we were sent into our bedrooms, and I was hearing my mother say, "That's the last time I'm going to allow you to be looking after that wee Troy." My poor dad. Oh dear me. Those were great memories though. So this song is really reminds me of that song. It's a version done by Marty Robbins, and it was a really good version done by Chris Isaac. See if you can remember it. South of the border, down Mexico way. That's when I fell in love, when the stars above came out to play. And as I wander, my thoughts ever stray. Oh, south of the border, down Mexico way. Oh, she was a picture in old Spanish lace. Just for a tender while I kissed the smile upon her face. For it was fiesta, oh, love had its way. South of the border, down Mexico. Sing it if you know this bit. Aye, 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 aye. Aye, 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 aye. Aye, 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 aye. Aye, 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 aye. Then she sighed as she whispered mañana, never dreaming that we were parting. And I lied as I whispered mañana, for tomorrow never came. Oh, south of the border, I rode back one day. There in a veil of white, by candlelight she kneeled to pray. Oh, the mission bells told me, oh, that I should stay. Oh, south of the border, down Mexico way. Aye, 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 aye. Aye, 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 aye. Aye, 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 aye. Goodbye, goodbye. So that was the song that always reminds me of that. That night with my poor dad. Oh dear. Okay then, going to a Gaelic song now. And where are we again? Yeah. This one's for a good mate of mine from Ness, D.S. Murray, who hopefully will be watching tonight. And he's going to have a new book being released soon. called In the Veil of Mist. And it's a book that's been written to do with an event that that happened on the island. And there's certain characters that are in the book. And Diaz has asked myself and Costello and a few others to sing some songs for a wee launch that he will be having. And one of the characters that's in the book is the well-known hero from Point called Hodan. And one of the songs that I'm going to do is this song called Caolan Orstan. And I remember this song from years and years ago. Now, the version that Hodan does of it, what happens quite often in Gaelic songs, there might be two different songs. And there might be a different melody in each of the songs. And that was the case with this one. And they're very similar, but this is the version that I remember. So that's Caolan Orstan. well, at least one version of it anyway. Heil Norstein. So what are we doing? Oh, it's 800 people watching already, goodness me. Okay, now, the next song that I'm going to do is a Charlie Pride. So I haven't really done Charlie Pride a lot, and along with this song, I've got a dedication for someone very special that came from Costello this evening, and it's for Lindsay and Ross Mackenzie over in Calgary, who had a new baby boy, Soren, and Ian is saying that he wants to send best wishes from all the New Tradition team. You know who they were because you played with New Tradition yourself. So I'd also love to give congratulations to Ross and Lindsay from myself, and also Belan, who's a good pal of Lindsay's. And also to mention a happy anniversary to Isabel and Robert McCritchie, Lindsay's parents, on their 50th wedding anniversary. Okay, so congratulations to you, Isabel and Robert, and congratulations also to Lindsay and Ross. So they will be a wee bit like the first song, Blue Heaven. You know, my mum used to say, I remember it when we had our own first one, and remember my mum saying to me, the happiest days of your life. So sometimes you don't feel like that when you not getting any night's sleep or anything like that, but they're great. So we wish them all the best, Lindsay and Ross, and love and best wishes to you all. So Costello asked me to do a Chris Stapleton song, so I decided I'm not very good at that. I'll leave that to my son Donald to do it. But he said any other country song. So I thought I would do a Charlie Price song. I'm not sure, Danny will keep us right on this one, but is anybody going to San Antonio? I think, is that the one, did George Jones do a version of that? I'm not really sure. But anyway, let's have a bash at that one then. How are we all doing? Johnny Paddy, Dean Fraser, hello Dean, hope you're getting better and hope you're watching tonight. I'll have some 60s, a couple of wee 60 songs for you. Yeah, absolutely. And who else have we got? Sarah Horrocks, my daughter and wee grandson, Elsa McLean, Donna Johnston. Yeah, absolutely. Joey Valdez. Okay, right, let's try this one. Rain dropping off the brim of my head, sure is cold today. Here I am walking down 66, wish she hadn't done me that way. Sleeping under a table in a roadside park, a man could wake up dead, but it sure seems warmer than it did sleeping in our king-size bed. Charlie Pride. Yeah, he was really popular and a great singer was Charlie Pride. So, so that one's for you, Lindsay from Costello. And all the new tradition, and I'm seeing loads and loads of people here wishing you all the best over there in Calgary. Oh, I remember Calgary myself. I was over there twice. I was over there in 1971 and I was over there again in 1977 with my good mate Davey. In actual fact, it was in Calgary that I heard Bob Seger, Night Moves, for the first time. And Bob Seger was my number one guy from way back then, my favourite singer. So, I bet you it's cold there. It's cold here, isn't it? It's been a really cold spell over the last wee while. So while I'm at it, I might as well give a dedication to my grandkids. I always do that. And that's Isabella and Lachlan over in Ullapool. I'm sure Ullapool will be, between Ullapool and Inverness is always snowy this time of the year. Also Archie and Maisie and Murdo, Angus and Ninky. And that's my 6 grandchildren. And I've given that dedication to my niece Molly. And also his brother Finlay, I'm sure if they're watching, down in Yorkshire in England. Okay, now then, the next song I'm going to do is a request, and it's a request from Margaret Campbell, or Peggy Vauman as we knew her, from the Smith family 22 Briasclate. We've got great memories of that lovely family. And she asked me to do a song that I haven't done for a long time. It's a song called Eichel. I'm sure a lot of you know where Eichel is, where the mast is in Achmore. But right at the back of Eichel, in the other direction, going on to the Pentland Road, was the moorland where a lot of shillings used to be. And this song was written by Malcolm Macaulay, the Moor Trotter they called him. He was based over in Canada and he used to come home every summer. And he wrote this song about the Eichel. This is for everyone from Briasclate, my own home village, and Callanish, and East Loch Rogue. Nach trwy, nach robin Eichel, edad I vecyn leven, che ein mein genre, schape chiden kein hermanialas, sam nagen nach big faramet, Riten mod lokaget, mo han beg siganavo, lo kesana mo sonesko. Mo han ke pokriavo, mo lebi vreugdes hierne, hanne lein chie zijn, sperhou me jan in Kattelijn. Sanakem nach bir faramet, Riten mod lokaraget, mo han beg siganavo, vereg mo gesanavo sonesto. Ans wat in het huiskin, se Jonas klop is tukan, genjener molonjen, dan rienen hol son mahenes, nach trui, nach robin Eichel, edad I vecyn leven, where the alley shine had hid me, and years and Romy nam langaban. Okay, so that one's for you, Peggy, and everyone else from over in Briasclet. Yeah, I've got great memories. Now, where are we? Right. Featured artist from the 60s. I've got a request. I got a request for this one. I'm pretty sure I did from someone. Who did I get a request for this one? Can't remember. But I definitely did one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a double whammy. I'm going to do 2 songs by Herman's Hermits. Who can remember Herman's Hermits? Oh, by the way, is it sounding okay? Will someone tell me if I'm too loud, my guitar too loud, or is it too cold in Calgary? 27 today, 27 degrees today. Is that 20? That's minus 27 degrees. Oh, yeah, that's pretty cold. That is really cold. So, does it sound okay? John Boyle, Doctor Who. Yeah, I'm going to do a Doctor Who song. Yeah, definitely. That's another request that I got tonight. No, that's where I got a request from. Yeah, absolutely. Who remembers these songs? Woke up this morning feeling fine. There's something special on my mind. Last night I met a new girl in the neighborhood. Oh yeah, oh, something tells me I'm into something good. Oh, she's the kind of girl That's a good song for a Valentine weekend, isn't it? How are we getting on? How's time doing? Okay. Let me see where I'm at now. I'm getting a wee bit confused with all my stuff. Okay, right. A classic Gaelic song now. This is another one for Donald. This is the second song. I'm going to do 3 songs for Donald D.S. Murray. In addition to having Hodan featured on his book, he's also got Murray MacFarlane, the Melba's Bard. So you'll all know this one. This is a good one for the Kianalas, especially for Lindsay and over there in Calgary. Sing it along. Fali, 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 classic song there by Murray McFarlane. John, thank you, John. Enjoying the songs, Gaelic ones. I'm doing fine, John. Thanks very much for asking. Cianlas in Dallas, Anna. Oh, Cianlas. I've got another cracking Cianlas one later on. Another Gaelic one as well. Rachel, hello, Roddy Show. Hope you're keeping safe. Yeah, excellent. Yeah, this is a great community. Now, listen, you can actually send some Valentine greetings to each other. Why not do that? Because this is really great. It's like a wee community. And thank you so much for, keeping us going and keeping this Ceilidh going. It's a real privilege to come and be with you. And thanks so much to the Coney for asking me once again to come along and sing some songs for you, or try to sing some songs for you anyway. Okay then, let's go back. Oh, this is an absolute classic as well. 1962. Who remembers Slim Whitman? And who remembers this one? I'm tired of crying and lying. That's why I'm buying a China doll. Her eyes are bluer, her pulse are fewer, her lips are the truer. My China doll. I'd rather have a doll play that I could call my own than someone else just like you with a heart of stone. She'll never leave me. She'll not deceive me and never grieve me. My China doll. No tears of sorrow, no sad tomorrow, no one could borrow my China doll. Her eyes are bluer, her faults are fewer, her lips are truer. My China doll. Oh, I'd rather have a doll of clay that I could call my own than someone else just like you with a heart of stone. She'll never leave me. She'll not deceive me and never grieve me. My China doll. That's from 1952. It's just about nearly in the world then. Who can remember that one? Slim Whitman, China doll. Chrissy Martin. Yeah, Chrissy, can you remember? Oh, I don't know. Can you remember? Catherine Heary, Murdo Smith. Oh, yeah. Who can remember that one? China doll. Now, how are you doing? So we're about an hour or so into it, are we? Around. Now, because all the requests and things are going past so quickly, we look at them all, honestly. And I think it was last week, or certainly it was one of the weeks in the past that I was looking. I think it might have been when Spanish was on. Someone actually requested a song, and I thought that is a great song. I'm going to do that song, and it's probably, I would say, probably my favourite Irish song of all time. And as soon as I start doing it, we used to do it in the old Island Express days. We've actually got a track on the album that Callum Pye plays, but we didn't call it the Star of the County, we called it the Stair of the County. Old Banbridge town in the county down one morning last July. From a mooring ring came a sweet Colleen. She smiled as she passed me by. Oh, she looked so sweet from her two bare feet to the sheen of her nut brown hair. Such a coaxing elf, sure I shouldn't myself to see I was really there. From Bantry Bay to Derry Quay, Galway to Dublin town. No maid I've seen like the sweet Colleen that I met in the county down. As she onward sped, sure I scratching my head, I looked with feeling rare. And I says I to a passer-by, who's the maid with the nut brown hair? He smiled at me and he said, says he, that's a gem of Ireland's crown. Oh, young Rosie McCann from the banks of the Bann, she's the star of the county down. From Bantry Bay to Derry Quay, Galway to Dublin town. No maid I've seen like the fair Colleen that I met in the county down. Eh, the harvest fair shall be surely there, and I'm dressed in my Sunday clothes, with my shoes shone bright and my hat cocked right, for a smile on my nut brown rose. No pipe I'll smoke, no horse I'll yoke, till my blood turns a rusty brown, till my smiling bride by my own fireside is the star of the county now. From Bantry Bay to Derry Quay, Galway to Dublin town. No maid I've seen like the sweet Colleen that I met in the county down. From Bantry Bay to Derry Quay, Galway to Dublin town. No maid I've seen like the sweet Colleen that I met in the county down. I love that song. It's a great song, that. The Irish songs and the Gaelic songs, they've all got great melodies. Oh, now this next song here, if you haven't got the Cian Ellis and you belong to the west side of Lewis and you're living somewhere far away, this will definitely do it. So how are you enjoying the concert so far? I think, let's see now. Oh man, goodness gracious, there are about 900 people watching it. Okay then, I'm hoping I'm going to manage to do the night. So I haven't managed to get through my whole list ever, but we'll see how we get on tonight. All right then. Now, are you ready for a bit of Cian Ellis?
Oh
a biach a chager a chyrsiad fawr. Through warn y mianaf ys na mach I can ffordd. I can y gias gylches gysgiach riffo Syrian y sedol sias tyb yn iad e bocher oed. Shit the night, the omlan, Señor invidio. Miss heart and the boy on a fioli, the shield of hiat with more. Gefallen is lining in chai, as beard of minar is born. Van wie ze glauwen op schap ik al toch paardje Kettes vader hou aan mij, scheur aan toch het posto. Mooi orak mes gelouten, es bjaunden elan loos. Azulagen die aan, rofesker faun is looking die aldetje ik kan draaien. Ooh, that's a heavy duty song, that one. Hope you liked that. So that's for all the all the people that are stuck away from the island here. We send you our love. We definitely do. Now then, I've got a request from my cousin Danny. I promised him I would do The Night They Drove Old Dixie Down. Now, the thing about that song is, the last time I did that song, sometimes there's a lot of these songs that are really band songs. And if I'm perfectly honest with you, I much prefer singing in bands and singing together. Myself, Willie and Ian together, that's really great. And even when my own son and Belan are with me. But we're in a situation now where that can't happen, and we don't know how long for. Now, some of the songs that people ask me to do, they're really band songs rather than individual songs. But I'll do this one for my cousin Danny. And also, at the same time as that, for Murach Beck, who says that he remembers us doing this in Island Express in the Barvas and Ness Hall back in the day. Yeah, we definitely used to do this in the band. Virgil Kane is my name, and I drove on the tandem train. Then Stoneman's cavalry came, tore up the tracks again. In the winter of '65, we were hungry, just barely alive. cloud and rain, but a Yankee laid him in his grave. Spit by the mud, get on my feet. You can raise a king back up when it's in defeat. The night they drove a Dixie town, and all the bells were ringing. The night they drove a Dixie town, and all the people were singing. They went la 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 la. Oh, I think that really is a band song. I don't think it really works that great with guitar, but I tried my best anyway. Okay, now, what are we on now? Oh yeah, let's have a wee up-tempo Gaelic song. Another one from the Murch MacFarlane time. So how are you all doing? You, Nora McLean Morrison, you look and sound better without the bonnet. What about without the beard? I took the beard off as well. I've got you know what? This weekend, not only is it a Valentine weekend, it's a very special weekend as well, because tomorrow is my birthday, and I am the age of 68 tomorrow, and it's very significant for me because that is exactly 10 years older than my dear old dad when he passed away. And that's why I thought I would really do some songs for remembering our past. Anyway, let's lift things up. Here we go, Murch MacFarlane. Hallig mal the wiser, das was kan fod, and das not a bird, but it a groi, and no die jano, it a goa, king han of kana, takes all the good. Oh, that glad you Lincoln food, and go more gal, Mitchell and dog walking, more than a king and gal. Han als god in a garde golden a poken, shut up sugar, nervous a hedge, was killed the gloria, just as salvetas, they could have the Lord. For I clap you, Lincoln food, and go for the gal, Mitchell and dog walking, more than a king and gal. Galabin Jonah, Rick Georgia's nine slayam, Lucan Moda, looking for his chess story, and McIntosh, Lloyd of Falkland. Lord, I clap you, Lincoln food, and go for the gal, Mitchell and the Falkland, more than a king and meow. The glaciers, it was a horn, and the Musha Cagey, the Patson's Mjora, Sniatigish, Jokion, Yevir Obrain, Jobrain, Nation, for the Allen Dorstein. Oh, I clap you, Lincoln food, and go for the gal, Mitchell and the Falkland, more than a king and gal. Hallig mal the wiser, das was kan fod, and that's not a good. Greta groi, and you're die chano, you're die good. Jing haring hano, thanks for the good. Oh, I clap you, Lincoln food, and go for the gal, Mitchell and the Falkland, more than a king and gal. Okay, Mora Glatulin. Time to tune this guitar, I think. Not too bad. Okay, what What have I got next on my program? Yeah, and another country one. Now this is a Charlie Pride song. I think, Danny, this might be the one that George Jones did a version of as well. A very lovey-dovey song, I think, if I remember right. So let's have a wee look to see who's all in. Linda Mack, bring back the beard for the... Yeah, I'll bring it back next year for my next birthday. Chrissy MacDonald, thank you so, Chrissy. Happy birthday, my amazing year. Thanks so much, Murdo. I mean, we just wouldn't be able to do these without your support. I mean, 800 odd people watching here, and you've been pretty much along with us all our concerts and Kaylee's from the start. And without you, you know, and the reality of it is, I would never be doing this if it wasn't for people like yourselves encouraging me to come and make a fool of myself singing some oldies from the 60s and stuff like that. And some country songs. But they're really good for us to be able to do another concert together. Myself, Willie, Costello, Spanish, and maybe we'll do that because you never know. Keep your eyes open. For we might be able to do something else for Macmillan as a fundraiser, live together for something like this. Be really good if we could actually do that, and also be great. I hope you're watching Addo tonight. I'm going to bring you back up to Lewis so that we can do stuff together on the stage. It'd be really good. My good old mate, Addo. And also your son, Hans, as well. It would be really good for us to be able to put something together to celebrate things. Okay, here's a lovey-dovey song. Before you take another step, there's something you should know about the years ahead and how they'll be. You'll be living in a world where roses hardly ever grow. 'Cause Pride classic. I'm not really that great on Charlie Pride. Don't do a good. Costello does a great job of Charlie Pride songs. Now, what have we got? I'm going to do another Gaelic song. And this one is for all the Ellies that are listening here tonight. I bet you there's a few Ellies here. So, are we ready for the Ellie song? How are we doing time-wise? Let me have a wee look. We're doing no bad. Just over the hour. Hi, That's for all the Ellies. Lovely song, isn't it? A really good song. So, you're still sticking with me. It's about 800 still hanging around. Oh man. I've got nothing better to do. Well, I'm Angus Morrison. What are you doing here tonight? Look like Ronnie Mac. Ronnie looks a lot older than me. Come on. Okay now, I've got a request here. And it's from Kathleen Harry for her sister Doreen, who's a huge Doctor Who fan. Right? Now, we remember Doctor Who from a long, long time ago. But you would never get me to end up doing Sylvia's mother says, or what's the other songs that they do. But they were a great band live. So I thought I would actually do this song. It's really a band song. But join along for a bit of fun if you want to. Well, we're big rock singers like our golden fingers, and we love everywhere we go. We sing about duty and we sing about truth at $10,000 a go. We take all kinds of pills that give us all kinds of thrills, but the thrill that we've never known is the thrill that gets you when you get your picture on the cover of the Rolling Stone. Rolling Stone, wanna see my picture on the cover, wanna buy 5 copies for my mother, wanna see my smiling face on the cover of the Rolling Stone. Oh yeah, that's a very good idea. I got a freaky old lady named Cocaine Katie who embroiders all my jeans. I got my poor old grey-haired daddy driving my limousine. Now it's all designed to blow our minds, but our minds won't really be blown like the blow that'll get you when you get your picture on the cover of the Rolling Stone. Rolling Stone, wanna see my picture on the cover, wanna buy 5 copies for my mother, wanna see my smiling face on the cover of the Rolling Stone. Listen to this one. We got a lot of old wrinkled grey-haired groupies who do anything we say. We got a genuine Indian guru who's teaching us a better way. We got all the friends that money can't buy, so we never have to be alone. And we keep getting richer, but we can't get a picture on the cover of the Rolling Stone. Rolling Stone, wanna see my picture on the cover, wanna buy 5 copies for my mother, wanna see my smiling face on the cover of the Rolling Stone. On the cover of the Rolling Stone. So that one's for you, Doreen. Welcome back to the island. And that's my Dr. Who song. Cover of the Rolling Stone. Okay. Yeah, please include Tosh in the supergroup. Yeah, Tosh's more than welcome to come along. More than welcome. Okay then, now, this song here, another well-known song. And one of my favourite guys doing this song is Murdo Dan MacDonald from Point. He does a great version of this song. A really nice song, that. Really nice song. And I was just thinking there, Dan and Murdigan, the MacDonald brothers from Point, they would be another great duo for us to have on our Céilís and maybe do something live together. Great singers from Point. Okay then, now, since I started doing these Céilís, I can't remember how many I've done of them, probably about 6 or 7 maybe. There's one song that I've always been trying to actually get to do, and I'll usually leave it till way on in the in my list, and we never get round to reaching as far as it. So I thought tonight I'm going to give it a shot. Now, I'm not a huge Elton John fan, but this particular song is my favourite Elton John song, and it's from an album that he did called Goodbye Yellow Brick Road, and the words are really good. It reminds us of days gone by. It's called Roy Rogers. Anyone heard of that song? Roy Rogers. Okay, let's have a bash at it. Sometimes you dream, sometimes it seems there's nothing there at all. You just seem older than yesterday, and you're waiting for tomorrow to call. You drop to the curtain, and one thing's for certain, you're cozy in your little room. The carpet's all paid for, God bless the TV. Let's go shoot a hole in the roof. Oh, Roy Rogers is riding tonight, returning to our silver screens. Comic book characters never grow old. Evergreen heroes whose stories were told. Oh, the great sequin cowboy who sings on the plains of roundup and rustlers and home on the range. Turn on the TV, shut out the lights. Roy Rogers is riding tonight. 9 o'clock morning, 5 o'clock evenings, I'd learn the pace if I could. Oh, I'd rather have a ham in my sandwich than cheese, but complaining wouldn't do any good. Laid back in my armchair, close eyes and thinking, I can hear hoofbeats ahead. Roy and Trigger have just hit the hilltop, while the wife and the kids are in bed. Oh, Roy Rogers is riding tonight, returning to our silver screen. Comic book characters never grow old. Evergreen heroes whose stories were told. Oh, the great sequin cowboy who sings on the plains of roundup and rustlers home on the range. Turn on the TV, shut out the light. Roy Rogers is riding tonight. Yeah, got into that. Aye, that's a great song, that. That's a really good song. Okay, so I managed to get that one done. Okay, haven't done a Runrig song. How about that? Let's do a Gaelic one. Okay, let me see. How are we doing time-wise? I think we're doing okay. Rundvik song. Okay, so we're getting close now, I think, to... Now we look and see what we're doing time. Yeah, okay. Time for maybe another 2 or 3. This is a song that has been requested before, and it's a more laid-back song. Okay, so you know this one. Have you seen the old man in the closed down market, kicking up the papers with his worn out shoes? In his eyes you'll see no pride, a hand loosely by his side. Yesterday's papers telling yesterday's news. So how can you tell me you're lonely? Say for you the sun don't shine. Let me take you by the hand and lead you to the streets of London. I'll show you something to make you change your mind. Have you seen the old girl who walks the streets of London? Dirt in her hair and her clothes in rags. She's no time for talking, she just keeps right on walking, carrying her home to carry her back. So how can you tell me you're lonely? Say for you the sun don't shine. Let me take you by the hand and lead you through the streets of London. I'll show you something to make you change your mind. Oh, in the all-night cafe at 11:15, same old man sitting there on his own, looking at the world over the rim of his teacup. Each tea lasts an hour, and he wanders home alone. Have you seen the old man outside the Seaman's Mission, memory fading with the metal ribbons that he wears? In our winter city, the rain cries little pity, one more forgotten hero in a world that doesn't care. Oh, how can you tell me you're lonely? Say for you the sun don't shine. Let me take you by the hand and lead you to the streets of London. I'll show you something to make you change your mind. Yeah, that was another one that I had on a few lists. Okay, let me do a wee medley of Gaelic songs now. Okay. And maybe do another couple after this. Roddy McLeod, 21 again. That's right, Roddy. Reel in a Cali, the stars in a tulla, reel in a Cali, together to the boy. Reel in a Cali, the stars in a tulla, reel in a Cali, together to the boy. Yo, what a nugget seems, scotch and a bannery. Yo, what a nugget seems, August for your boa. Yo, what a nugget seems, scotch and a bannery. Yo, what a nugget seems, August for your boa. Reel in a Cali, the stars in a tulla, reel in a Cali, together to the boy. bíon glan a berin as a broken knee sound. Hugging your walking neck, walking as an old. Hugging your walking neck, walking as an old. Hugging your walking neck, walking as an old. As my bíon glan a berin as a broken knee sound. I'll be I come to the walking as an old. I'll be I come to the walking as an old. I'll be I come to the walking as an old. As my bíon glan a berin as a broken knee sound. Hugging your walking neck, walking as an old. Hugging your walking neck, walking as an old. Hugging your walking neck, walking as an old. As my bíon glan a berin as a broken knee sound. Ooh, right then. I think I'll just do a couple more songs to finish off the night. Hope you enjoyed it. I've really had a great time, and hope you're all going to keep safe. And we don't know what lies ahead of us, but also would want to remember the homes this night, especially, and all those who are in the homes, all those who are concerned at the moment, all the families that are concerned for their loved ones in the homes, not only on the island here, but in all the homes throughout Western Isles, and those who are watching this evening. We wish you love, and we're thinking of you at this time. Now, I don't know if there's anything else. Right, let me do one of my own favourite songs. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left his seas while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I love to roam narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp. I turn my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. When in the naked light I saw 10,000 people maybe, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that the voices never share. No one there disturbed the sound of silence. Fool, said I, you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might reach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. But my words, like silent raindrops, fell and echoed in the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon gods they made, and the signs like its warning in the words that it was for me, and the signs said the words of the prophet are written on a subway wall and tenement halls, whispered in the sound of silence. That's a great song, that. I love that song. Okay then, going to finish off tonight, and I want you to listen to the words, and I think the words are good in this song. This is a song that many of you will remember, and this is my wish for you all tonight. So stay safe until we meet again, whenever that's going to be. And make sure that you join whoever is going to be on the COVID Ceilidh next Friday, because I know that you're very loyal keeping this, and it's absolutely amazing. How long have we been going now? We're nearly an hour and 40 minutes going on this, and 800 odd people have stayed for the whole time, which I think is absolutely great. And you made an old guy very happy. Mary Crook, without the cap. Am I much better without the cap? Oh, come on now. Meet me next. That's good. John Boyle, thanks very much. Donald Morrison, Kate Meal, thank you. Is that my cousin Donald Morrison from the West Side? Lola, Kenny M, that's great. Okay then, listen to the words, and with this I'm going to finish. Oh, don't you lose that light in your eyes. You're never too old to love. You're never too late to try. When somebody needs you, give them all you can give. When you're living to love, loving to live. Stay young, keep your wings in motion. You got everything that you need. Stay young with your arms rolling. All the best things in life need. Oh, don't you feel like playing the fool? Just a step out of line, break all the rules. Oh, don't you let me tell you, it's not for you. Remember this, don't go growing old before you're due. Stay young, keep your wings in motion. You got everything that you need. Stay young with your arms rolling. All the best things in life need. Stay young, keep your wings in motion. You got everything that you need. Stay young, keep your arms rolling. All the best things in life are free. Take care until we meet again. God bless you all, and stay safe. Bye.